All right, so here she is. Oh, she's cute. She's cute. Angel face. Okay, does it give me a angel face? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about this unit right here that I picked up from samsbeauty.com. Y'all know how I feel about samsbeauty.com. I've been rocking with them for years. The one beauty supply store that I love the most. Okay, but nonetheless, this is the unit right here. This is from the Sensationnel brand. This is from their Curls and Kinks line, and she is in the style called Angel Face. Okay, and this is how she looks. She's long, beautiful, flowy. She has a yaki type synthetic premium hair texture. Premium meaning that you can curl and iron style this wig up to like 450 degrees. So yes, you can curl and iron, heat style, flat iron, whatever you want to use. Any heating apparatus up to 450 you can use on this unit right here. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and get into it. She seems to be really glam dollish, so that's one of the reasons why I picked it. Y'all know I love a glamorous wig. Okay, let's just go ahead and get into it. She's cute. She's very cute. Angel face. I've been enjoying the Curls and Kinks line. I do love the yaki textured units. They do mimic our black girl hair. It mimics our hair so well. Look at the texture. Look at that. You can kind of see the slight yakiness of the crimps, the kinks, or whatever you want to call that look. It has that. I know my natural hair has that. It looks just like that. Sometimes I want to see my hair like bone straight, but girl, my hair will never be bone straight, okay? And my hair is relaxed. But yeah, it'll just never be straight. So I just cut off the stock card because we already seen that. She was cute in it. Okay, but this is what the hair looks like. It has some slight body to it. Soft layers in the unit. Really, really nice. Standard cap construction. You have a lace part. You have your two combs here at the temple, one in the back, and the adjustable strap. Really standard, nice, stretchy, comfortable cap. Big head friendly. Yes, of course. Alright. Let's go ahead and cut the lace and get her tried on. And as you see, she does have baby hairs here. They're slightly longer, so if you want to trim them a bit, you can do that. If you want to just comb them back into the hair, you can do that too, because that's what I'll be doing. Y'all know I do not do the most with my units. I just cut the lace and go. But that's what we're about to do. Let's go ahead and cut the lace on it and go. Okay, let's put it on and go. Put it on and go. Now, if you're accustomed to putting your wig on your head and cutting the lace, do that. I'm not going to do that. I like to hold it. I like to see what I'm doing. I like to get all in that thing and cut this lace. That's what I do. But you do you, because I'm going to do me. But nonetheless, I'm so excited for this one. Like I said, I've reviewed quite a few from the Curls and Kinks line, and I love them. So pretty. Alright guys, so now that I have my lace cut, we are ready to put her on. Just picking out some of that lace that flipped and flopped and found its way up there in my hair. But as you see, it just has a lace part here. Now you can do the shift method once you get the wig on your head to adjust the part, should you want it anywhere other than a middle part, because as you see, it does have a middle part. Alright, so here she is. Oh, she's cute. She's cute. Angel face. Okay, does it give me a angel face. I like it. I love the texture. I love the soft layers. I just love this wig. It just looks so natural. It just looks like a voluminous head of just gorgeous, healthy hair. I love it. It doesn't have a shine to it. Like I said, it just mimics human black girl hair. I love it. So, so cute. Let me know what you think of this one. Now, as you see, she is long. I will give this about 22 inches in length. Let me show you the back. All right, so here is the back of it. Like I said, she's long. Really, really nice. Love this unit. So, so gorgeous. This one is definitely one to add to the collection if you're into long, voluminous hair. I'm definitely feeling this one. Let me know what you think of this one. Is this one that you can see yourself rocking? Girl, definitely one for the winter time. She's super thick. I love it. She's cute. Yes. Alright, girl, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there will definitely be another video. So be sure to check out my other videos from the Curls and Kinks line from Sensationnel. Really feeling those units, as I know you will too. So be sure to check those out, especially if you love the yucky textured hair. Love, love, love. This one's bomb.